Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to talk about this lovely 2017 Hyundai Elantra that we have for sale. If you're in the market for a affordable commuter car, the Hyundai Elantra is a great choice. Nice, spacious interior, very fuel efficient. EPA highway rating is about 37 miles per gallon. This has lots of nice features, a great infotainment system with a backup camera. Also features HD radio. HD radio is free. It's broadcasted over the air, and it's a high definition radio signal, pretty close to CD quality, a lot better audio quality than regular FM. And the nice thing too about HD radio is you get multiple stations, like a lot of traditional FM stations that usually just have one station. On HD they can have up to 3, 4 sometimes HD stations, so it's really a great feature if you like music, and it's something that doesn't cost you any extra money. It is broadcast free over the HD or the HD radio network. And this one has 38,829 miles at the time of making this video. Bluetooth hands-free phone system. It has blind spot warning. It's been serviced and checked by our techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good. All it needs now is a new home. And it's backed by a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. Nice deluxe alloy wheels. The Elantra is a compact sedan. Some of the competition is the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic. A decent amount of interior space. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I still have a good amount of legroom back here, so maybe if you're thinking about using this for Uber or Lyft, it'd be a great vehicle to do so, with adequate rear seat legroom for most passengers. Really nice stylish body, fun to drive, plenty of power, fuel efficient, low ownership costs, and a relatively low price for this 2017 model. Projector headlights provide great nighttime visibility. Hyundais have proven to be very reliable vehicles. This engine that they use in this Elantra is using a lot of Hyundai products, as well as their other company, Kia. Hyundai owns Kia as well, so they share a lot of platform components and engines. Very well engineered vehicles. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.